everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off by using some brown rice. I'm just going to start off by cleaning it first. You want to clean your rice so you get all the nasty off of it. Hopefully you do that before you cook it too. So yeah, here you see me cleaning off my rice. Now I'm just gonna pour this rice into my mason jar. I think I might have overdid it and made a little too much rice. I made a little mess too. Yeah, I definitely filled it up way too much. So I just emptied out some rice halfway, just so I could have more rice water to use. Then I'm just gonna put it in the fridge and let that sit overnight. And as you can see, the water's pretty cloudy, so I think it's doing its thing. Now for this next part, you're gonna wanna have a spray bottle handy. You could also use one of those bottles that you use to spray directly into your scalp. I didn't have one available, so I think I'm gonna try that next time because my spray bottle wasn't the best, but you'll see that later on. And now you can see I am pouring the rice water into the bottle directly. I'm not doing a very good job. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the rice water challenge. I don't know the particular rules to the challenge, so I'm gonna come up with my own. So I do have a protective styling right now. I have Marley twists that I did myself. No, I didn't do them as good as I usually do because I'm quarantined. Anyways, yes, so I'm gonna try to leave this protective styling for a month. We'll see how that go. I don't really have nothing to do, so here we are. I was tired of fooling with my hair and dealing with my hair. And for those who don't know, that just means you're not following me on social media. So go ahead and follow me on social media. I big chopped almost a year ago, June 1st, exactly June 1st, 2019. So my hair is very short. Yeah, but it's going on a year now. I'm trying to speed up the growing process, and it's grown a little bit. You know, I might do a little video on there, whatever. So yeah, but I want to try out the rice water challenge again. I tried it last year, wasn't consistent, did it maybe once or twice. And tell me why I found old rice water that's almost a year old in my bathroom.
Nasty bitch.
I know, that's disgusting. But keep in mind, you know, I go away for school, so I'm not home like I am in the summertime, and that's when I did it in the summertime. So when I went back to school, I forgot about it, and it was sitting in my closet. So I'm gonna throw it out. I'm gonna try not to open it because it may be worse than the coronavirus. So yeah, we're back with another rice water challenge for me, part 2. So because I have the protective style in, I'm not gonna rinse the rice water out. I'm gonna actually let it sit. I'm gonna try to spray my hair maybe once or twice a day, maybe in the morning and then later at night. Massage my scalp and see what that does for a month. I'm gonna insert a photo of what my hair looks like currently before I put the twists in, because I just styled and did a wash and go maybe a week or 2 ago. So that's where my hair currently is. Hopefully it didn't grow too well. I was gonna say hopefully it didn't grow that much in 2 weeks, but hopefully it did. But like, then it would be as accurate if I'm showing it to you now. You get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna take this out of the ponytail. I was trying to use natural light because I rearranged my room for my desk to be facing my window so I can get the natural light, but the sun is going down. I waited too long. I did film another video earlier today, so that took up a lot more of my time, and then I took a little break, but I knew I was gonna do my rice water video today. But yeah, hopefully I can get this all the way. Hopefully I can get this done before the sun goes down and I lose my light. I didn't put that many twists in as much as I usually do, so it looked a little scarce, a little sparse. But yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start in the back, spray the bottom layer. I'm gonna take my spray bottle with the rice water. It didn't smell because I didn't let it sit for 24 hours. I let it sit for maybe 15 hours because I did this at like, prepared the rice water at like 1 in the morning. And I wasn't gonna wait till 1 in the morning to film this video. So, but I'm also let this sit again. And people say it stinks, but it didn't stink for me today. So hopefully it still works even though it doesn't stink. And if it does start to stink, I did buy some oranges. I'm gonna put a little orange peel in it because I see, you know, the little YouTubers doing it too. So we're gonna try that. So I'm just gonna spray my scalp. Don't mind the parting, it's terrible. Like I said, I'm not going nowhere. So I need to make it look perfect for nobody. Thank you. Ooh, cold. Okay, so since it has been in the refrigerator, it's a little cold. Honestly, I'm about to just wing it because I can't do this section by section. I'm just gonna spritz it in my scalp and call it a day. Why am I so impatient? Just gonna. It's so runny because this water bottle does like a spray. Yeah, it sprays out like that, so it runs. It's not like a misty sprayer like my other water bottle, but I didn't want to get rice water in that water bottle and it stink, and then I gotta buy another one, and ain't nobody got time for that. We on lockdown anyways.
Coronavirus!
So I'm just gonna spray my scalp. Yeah, when last time I tried the last time I tried the rice water challenge was right before I cut my hair, actually, like literally a week or two before, and I just forgot about it. Put it in my cabinet, literally forgot about it. Y'all want to see what that rice water looked like? Actually, I'm not gonna show y'all because you're gonna judge me, and I don't need to be judged right now. It's running down my neck. It's running down my neck. Yeah, I really don't like how these twists is looking, but it's just something to protect my hair while I'm not doing absolutely anything. Cause quarantine got me like stuck in the house. Can't hang out with my friends. Don't even really think I can hang out with my family. I don't want to overdo it, but I gotta get the edges. Get the edges. Oh, it's literally dripping down my neck. And I don't want it to get on my makeup. Kind of looks good like this, but then when I move to the side, it's like, what is that? What is that? Got the water dripping all up in my ear. I know I need my nails done, okay? I can't go right now. I can't go until after June 10th, maybe even longer. So you're just gonna see some raggedy nails until I decide to do something with it. It's just snagging on my hair. It's snagging on my hair. Okay, I think I got a lot of my scalp kind of sprayed. Low-key feels soaked. I really don't know if I'm doing this right. I've watched plenty of videos and I literally forget when I get on camera what to do. It's gonna make me nervous. It's gonna make me nervous. Okay. I'm really trying to do this and look cute and end up looking crazy. A big ass head. I've only had these twists for about a week and a half and they already look crazy. They already look dusty. I can't go to the shop because ain't nobody working. Ain't no shops open. I still save money though. Doing it myself. Scalp kind of itch. Okay. I wanted to put some like essential oils in it, but I can't find nothing. I can't find my peppermint oil. I can't find my tea tree oil. I can't find anything, hunty. And I just moved out of my college dorm. I mean, my apartment. So everything is kind of all over the place. So I don't know where most of my stuff is. It's kind of just all packed together. So yeah, I'm gonna try to, like I said, spray this once a day for a month, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna look back and see what I'm supposed to do, because I don't want to overdo it and too much. I think it has a lot of protein in it, and I don't want to put too much protein in it because I don't think my hair can handle all that protein. But I also don't want my hair to grow. So, and honestly, hair ain't nothing. I would say I would cut it again, but really this is my second big chop, and I'm not gonna do that again. That's it, unless I have to, and I don't want to. We gonna check back in on, what's today's date? It's the 4th. On May 4th. I'm gonna have these twists out and we gonna see what my hair is looking like. And if it works, honey, this will be part of my little regimen. Not like every time I do my hair, but how you supposed to do? I think every couple months, maybe every couple weeks. Supposedly rice water is supposed to help with shedding, hair loss, hair growth, straightening the cuticle. Yeah, a whole bunch of great stuff. But yeah, I know it's a big thing on YouTube. It's nothing new. Y'all definitely probably have heard of it, but I wanted to give it a go. So here we are. And as always, thank you for tuning in. That is the end of the video. I'll see y'all back in a month with an update on my rice water challenge. 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 Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. Please, and thank you.